Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to day 8 of this Papercraft Society Advent Calendar. So let's see what's in day 8. That's the one. I was looking for it for a minute. So let's see, this time we've got this really pale pink and of course beautiful as always, and it's by Creative Craft Products. So let's see what's inside. We've got some tags, I think. Let me remove them. So we've got few sheets of those pre-cut tags. We've got 9 of them in total. So I think I'm going to do tags then. What I'm going to do, I'm going to, as always, prepare some elements and I will be back with my tutorial. So let me think about what I want to create with this. So as you can see, I prepared some elements for my project, but I also did few tags off camera. I couldn't help myself and I had to stamp that beautiful tag from box number 1 created by Textures. So that's the tag in silver, rose gold, and I've got a gold one which I added a little bit of per watercolors on it, so to give different effects. So these are just those very simple free tags you can create. And what I did, I used the tag as a base and I took another tag and I just made it slightly smaller and I created myself a template which I'm going to use for this project as well, because I actually traced it around of this patterned paper and I'm going to use it as my layer for this tag. Also, I made another tag. This one is with the papers and the topper, which came in box number 6. So I use box number 1, number 6, and I think I'm going to use those stickers from box number 3 and those beautiful flowers from box number 2. And I'm thinking about sentiments, so I don't know which one I'm going to use, but let me see. So these are the projects I've done off camera, and now let me show you how to create a simple birthday card. I think it's going to be a birthday card or something different with a tag. So I've got 4 by 6 card blank and I'm going to place those layers. So what kind of paper I'm using? I'm using this patterned paper, comes from this Paper Discovery paper pad. I love this one, and if you watch my Black Friday haul, you've seen this paper pad. I actually bought 2 of them because they were really cheap, and I think about £2-3. And I'm using this this metallic card, comes from this Violet Studio. It's 6 by 6 paper pad, and it says metallic finish card. So that's what I'm using in today's video. So let me put this card together. So it's as I said, 4 by 6 card blank, and of course the first layer measures 3 3/4 by 5 3/4, and then of course each layer is slightly smaller. So, and I really wanted to use that metallic paper because I had this pad for quite some time and I really wanted to use it, and I think it will look really pretty together with those papers. So let me just make sure that it's adhered straight. I don't think it's straight, a little bit off, but that's fine now. And now this beautiful, very colorful paper. So the base is already decorated, and as you can see, it's very quick, and I really like that metallic card. I think it brings the colors and it looks so nice. I hope you like it. And then of course I used this lace before and I said that's my favorite lace, and it is. I just can't help myself, and actually I created quite a few cards with tags on my channel, so if you are interested, I will link them at the end of this video so you can check it out, because there are different types, and yeah, if you want you can check it out. And now it's time to put this tag together. So what I did, I didn't like the color, this color on my card, so of course I traced it around this tag and I cut it in white, and then I showed you before that smaller size. So these are very good for templates for the future as well. So, and I cut this one in that pattern paper. So let me put this one together and we can start adhering everything. And I just love those flowers, and as I said in previous videos a few times probably, that I really want to use as many products as I can from those boxes. And that was my idea when I was buying that advent calendar. I thought it's going to be a challenge, but I love challenges, so I think that's the best way to make those creative juices working. And yes, I think that's really nice. So I created a hole here, and let me see if this one will work. Yes, I use exactly the same twine on those 3 tags, and I used a green one on the other one. So now, before I forget, I need to add some foam pads underneath that tag. And I think I need to put the twine first. So let me cut it a little bit. And then what I do, I usually tag the end of that twine under my tag. So that's why I have to do it before I start putting my foam pads. Sometimes I let it loose and I just let it hanging somewhere, but this time what I'm going to do, I thread it through. I'm going to tie a knot, and then the tail will be tucked under the tag. I'm just trying to see how long do I need to leave it, just to see. And now it's time to put my, no, I need to finish the one I started. So I've got this double-sided foam pad, and of course I need to add some dimension, because that's how I like creating my cards. So I hope you're having fun. I already have seen so many new projects on Facebook. I keep talking about Facebook groups, but there is so much inspiration over there, and I think so many of you are having so much fun with this advent calendar. I'm really excited about this, and as probably you heard me saying as well, that it's my first craft advent calendar, and that's why I'm so excited, and I really wanted to do this collaboration with Katarina and Mel. So I hope you are going to check out Katarina and Mel. And before I place it down, I want to create this composition with flowers, because then I want to cut off the ends. So I think it's going to be easier if I actually do it now before I adhere it to my card. So let me add the glue, and it doesn't look that nice at the moment, but I like to add that flower on top over here. So I like to use that as a base for my beautiful flower. And then let me just do a dry run, because I think I'm going to place the sentiment here. So I want to add more. Shall I use that one a bit higher? Maybe I will use this one actually. I'm not sure. Let me arrange everything, and then I will see exactly what I want to do. Because sometimes you think you've got an idea, and then your idea is changing slightly, but it's fine as well. Someone asked me about this glue. This one is a book binding glue. It's made back home in Poland, and it's a magic glue. You can get it on eBay, I believe, but if you struggle to find it, and if you really want to have it, then ask me and I will try to find the link for you. Or if you can't find it and you really want to have it, I do have quite a few of them, so just send me an email. Maybe I I'm going to place it on my card and see how I like that. Yeah, and I like it, and I think that should be fine. Do I want to add more leaves? No, I just don't want to overpower my card, as I prefer to have quite clean and simple projects. Okay, I'm going to put them away, and now it's time to snip off that end. And as you can see, it's easier this way. So, have you seen any project from Katarina and unboxing from Mel? I'm really curious if you're going and checking what they are doing on their channels as well, because we are doing this collaboration. I really wanted to do this Advent calendar reveal, but I wanted to ask some of my YouTubers, friends on YouTube, to see if they want to do it, and that's why I asked Katarina and Mel to join me on this crafty adventure. And because we've got hashtag PS Advent Calendar 2023, you can join us as well if you want to. So I needed to add a few more small foam pads on that flower, just in case if it's going to just collapse. And I think that it should be better now. Okay, now trying to place it straight on my card, and you can see that it looks really pretty already, and I like using tags on my projects, and you can make them bigger, smaller, it's all up to you. I'm just trying to see how this sentiment would look like on this card, and I think this one will be better, so I'm not going to use this one, unfortunately, but my idea for my card just evolved a little bit, and I think it's fine. I'm happy with the result. I'm just going to add a little bit on the bottom of this sentiment, because I think it's going to be hanging a little bit. So yes, so I hope you have seen quite a few inspirations on my channel and on this video, because as you can see, you can create so many different things. I'm going to bring those tags forward so you can see them as well, and you can create so many different things. I was actually thinking those tags are really really so nice, and if you, for example, you've got some inks and you haven't done your ink swatches, then I think those tags are great for that as well. So you can use them for so many different things, and I think it's fantastic that they are so useful. Let me grab my tweezers. They were hiding for a second, and I think I was thinking before I switch on the camera that I haven't used my sequins for a very long time, and I like using them, but it seems like there is no space for it. So instead of that, I think I will use some glitter glue in the center of my flowers. I think just to give a little bit of sparkle, because you know I love adding sparkle. So glitter glue in the center of those flowers, and because of this they will look slightly different than in the packaging. So dabbing a little bit, just a touch of something special. So, and this very quick and easy card measuring 4 by 6 inches is ready. I hope you like it. I love the spring look, and let me know which one would you pick from those actually two projects, so tags or card, because you can create so many different things from that envelope. So thank you so much for watching, and of course I will be back tomorrow at 7 a.m. with another unboxing. So let me know which one is your favorite, and let me know what have you created with this box. So thank you so much for watching once again, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.